Hi guys, welcome to my science experiment series. Today we are going to do science experiment number 10, which is the bag rocket. In that we need a tea leaf packet. We are going to try it. We are going to try one without and one with. And be careful and always use an adult. There's always should be an adult with you because you need to use the scissors and matchsticks.
So we have to take out the tea leaves.
From one packet and not take out tea leaves from the other packet. Now let's implement the experiment. We are going to do this one first. This one has tea leaves, which is full of them, and it is told to not be lighted for that much time as much this one will be. So it has already ended. And now let's try the one. It stays longer. It stays longer. Bye bye. Get ready for my next experiment. Stay tuned.